For the first passage, we saw Meursault's actions and thoughts to be another of the very big signs of his indifference towards anything and everything. Though his mom had recently died and he attended her vigil the night before, he was already on and thinking about his coworkers and his work, without a thought about his mother. At this point, it was just an unusual situation, but one that could still be explained. He could have been coping with the death of his mother by focusing on other things, such as his work and his daily routine, so as to not be consumed by her death. It is a very early clue to what will be happening later on, but it's still too early in the book for this to be used as concrete evidence. A few pages later, when Meursault is starting the funeral procession for his mother, he again starts taking the rest of his surroundings, even being annoyed with the sun and the heat of the day, while looking onto the rows of trees and plants that laid around them. Again, in this instance, it would not seem like the biggest stretch for Meursault to be doing what he was doing, but it lays the foundation for his actions to come later in the book. When Meursault's experiences with Marie and the Arab come up, the reader is already expecting little reaction and emotion from such a character as Meursault, who didn't even flinch when his mother died. We thought these two scenes were a better representation than the later ones, simply because they were there before Meursault's actions became very extreme. These scenes were the reason why the rest of the book was not as surprising, and basically opened up the story to a reader who was already expecting actions similar to what actually happened.